He a little excited. Look at him. He got him some clothes now. He a babe magnet with them blue eyes. The babe magnet. Ah, 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 ah. Why you biting me? My Georgia Bulldogs already bit on these players today, so now you bite me now? He like, I'm biting you because Georgia won. Okay. He would have licked me if we would have lost. Or I would have been throwing stuff in my room. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, now you a little too aggressive now. Go on, boy. You supposed to be a babe, not a bite man. He'll bite this. Goddamn. Ah, you're abusive. Calm down now. You supposed to bite the damn cover that shit. Hate to see you get some milk from your mom. Dang, boy. I bet she like, y'all gotta handle him. I can only deal with him when I see him. He bite me like I'm some chicken or something. What you think it is over here, man? He got some clothes. He showing out. He like my swag up now. Shit, I got me some clothes now. That's what's up, man. I'm proud of you, man. Yeah. Do it with my right hand, cause you know I can't do shit with my left hand. Stop now. Okay, stop now. Come on now. You supposed to be cute. You supposed to be nice, buddy. You mean, man. You don't like that when I first met you. He know now like I got you now, nigga. Ah. Cute blue eyes and stuff. Think cause your eyes blue and cute that you can be biting me. You can't be abusing me now, man. Here, get the cover. You trying to get stronger. You like, what was that? That was the TV now. Come on. You still my boy though. Even though you bite me. See, I know what it is, the cover. That's what got you so aggressive. The cover got you aggressive. Look. You're like, fuck this shit, man. I hate to see you with your other brothers and sisters. I'm getting the first milk. I'm getting the milk first. You can't be greedy, man. You gotta share too. Damn, dude, I ain't gonna. You like, get that light out my face, okay? You sure not since you got these clothes on. You ain't never got the clothes on. Okay, now you win now, buddy. You win.